Hello everyone and welcome in IceWarp tutorial. This time we will have a look to how to organize your messages inside IceWarp EPOS web client. So let's get started. So on the first side you see that there are folders missing in our web client. Well, not really, you just need to expand them. We were thinking about whether all of our users are actually using those folders, and we find out that not that much users are using a lot of messages inside those folders. So we decided to collapse them and use entire space on your screen for the messages and things you are actually working on. So in case you need to expand the folder tree, just click on it and there you go. You have the whole list of folders and subfolders you may be working with, including the shared ones as well as the public folders. In case you need, for whatever reason, to visit some folder more frequently and would be too complicated to get to that, you can also very easily just add it to favorites, which will be then visible right here in the favorites on top of your screen, where you can switch in between your inbox or other inbox and etc. So those are folders. You may also ask a question, okay, then how do we move a message into a certain folder? Well, that's not a problem. You will just drag it and the list of folders will immediately pop up. So you can just drop it wherever you'd like to. There are also very easy to use keyboard shortcuts. M for moving a message into a folder, and yes, there is also a list of recent folders, so in case you are frequently moving some of those messages into a special folder, you will see it here. And the same is for C to copy, so just press C and there you go, copy to folder will pop up. You can also have a look that when talking about organizing the messages, we all need to be able to assign some keyword like category or tag. So we revamped that completely. You can now, customize the color, set your own color. You can also set a new tag. So for example, HR, there you go, and will immediately be visible there. And what more, you can also search for this tag or for other messages containing the same tag by just using search by this tag. And there you go, the list is there. Now that brings us actually to a search. There is a completely new way of searching within IceWarp EPOS. So whatever you are searching for, you can just go to center of your screen on the top. And there is also a way how to search for all folders or within all folders. And if you'd like to search, for example, for messages coming from Jerry, just write Jerry and will immediately recognize that you might think about Jerry Clark here. I'd like to. Good. And then I'd like to see vacation. Well, vacation, that's a keyword, but should it be from vacation to vacation? Subject. Subject, there it is. There we go, and we have it. So we try to find out a simplest way how to enable all of our users to search and find, hopefully, all the messages they are actually looking for in an easy way. What more, the search also remembers your recent searches, so it should be very easy for you to research for a similar thing later on. And yes, obviously, IceWarp EPOS contains also full text search, so it doesn't really matter whether the keyword is in mail from or subject or in the body or even more in the message attachment. It always finds the proper result. Good. Okay, so that was how to organize the messages inside IceWarp EPOS web client, and see you in another video. Bye.